God. This has been such a interesting experience, and I'm completely overwhelmed. Telugulo matladala, Englishlo matladala. I'm a little confused, but I'll start with English and then. First, Sujit, thank you so much. ఎందుకంటే ఒక మహిళ కోసం ఎంత శక్తివంతమైన ఎంత అద్భుతమైన ఒక రోల్ రాయడం నిజంగా చాలా గొప్ప విషయం. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ రైటింగ్ గీత అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ బిలీవింగ్ దట్ ఐ కుడ్ పుల్ ఆఫ్ గీత. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్. దానయ్య సార్, ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎప్పుడు చూసినప్పుడు మీరు నవ్వుతూనే ఉంటారు. I sure you have all the problems under the sun, but you choose to smile. Says a lot about the person you are. My dearest friend, Mr. Ravi K. Chandran, being one of the tallest pillars of the film, prati oka scene anta beautiful ga, like a piece of art. You've shot it. It shows why you're definitely the best in the business. Taman, I really don't know what to tell you. Your music and the kind of sound we've heard in the film reminds me of the kind of music we listen to in a Berlin Film Festival or something like that. It's very rare. It's very, yes, you were breathing fire into it, but the kind of sound we heard, being Gen Zs, it was a little different. And you just made our man look unbelievable with all that music. It's been an honor working with you. Coming to my co-actors, I think English lo cheptaru that nothing goes without team effort. Collaboration is everything. And like that, I truly believe, be it Arjun, be it Harish, be it Prakash Raj sir, Priyanka, we didn't have scenes together, but I thought you looked absolutely beautiful in the song, and Imran as well. Without your help, I don't think we would be able to have pulled out our characters. Thank you so much. Chivriga kani mukyanga PK sir gurinchi cheppakunda undalenu. ఆయన దగ్గర ఒక నచ్చిన విషయం ఏంటంటే మహిళలకు ప్రోత్సాహనం ఇస్తారు. అది చాలా తక్కువ మంది ఇస్తారు. అండ్ being a woman, being a very fierce, independent woman in today's day and age, I feel men don't really support us as much as we deserve to be supported. And here comes a man who says, I don't care if you take center stage, I don't care if you want to get a fight, I don't care whatever you do. And even in his political arena, the way he supports women is truly inspiring, and it's something that I have been in complete in awe of. So thank you, sir, for you don't know what you do for people, and people like us who really want that extra support, that extra reconfirmation that everything is going to be okay. I think that is very, very important for a man to give a woman. Alage, I think ఆయన దగ్గర ఒక ప్రతీకమైన శక్తి ఉంది, which is very beautiful and strong at the same time. It's been an honor and pleasure working with you and knowing you. Thank you all so much. We'll see you all really soon.
బాగుందా? మీరు కూడా బాగా అనిపిస్తున్నారు నాకు. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ శ్రేయ గారు. అసలు సినిమాలో ఆవిడ చేసినటువంటి పాత్రకి ఈరోజు కనిపించినటువంటి దానికి అంతకుముందు కూడా పవన్ కళ్యాణ్ గారు చెప్పారు మీ ఫిట్నెస్ గురించి, మీ రొటీన్ గురించి. సింప్లీ సూపర్ శ్రేయ గారు, యూ జస్ట్ నెయిల్డ్ ఇట్. అండ్ ఈరోజు